Hey, it's the Bradcast, and I am here at the Motor City Comic Con, and we're about to speak to Laura Pearson, and she is the proprietor and artist extraordinaire for Quack, Honk Designs. Laura, tell us about the product.
Well, I design cute animals with either food or drink most of the time. Sometimes people will get me to do things like put them with like a really large video game controller or other things as well. I do them all with Copic marker.
So what made you start doing it? Just because you have an artist's knack, or somebody saw you doing it once, they started asking you to do it, and you decided, hey, if you're going to pay for it, I'll do anything you like?
Kind of a combination of those things. I got 2 college degrees and ended up in retail. And after some time in retail, I decided, what the heck, I might as well give it a shot. And people were saying, oh, could you do this or could you do that? So I just started drawing it.
How long have you been doing this? How many years?
I've been doing this professionally for 5 years.
And if somebody wants to buy these, they can't come to the show, but they want to buy the product, where do they go to do that?
You can either go to my website, which is www.quackhonk.com, or you can visit me on Twitter at QQH_designs. I also have an Instagram and a YouTube channel.
It's definitely comics. It's not beer or sci-fi, but it's 100% cute, and I've got buy-in as far as I'm concerned. So, oh yeah, now you're talking. She's got beer, folks. She's got beer. Now we're talking. This has been the Bradcast. We'll see you next time.